Hello, kids. Your independent writing time is a little bit short today because we have our black and gold author circle meetings. But it's come to my attention that some of you are having a little trouble getting started sometimes in your independent writing time. So I want to encourage you to use that time thinking of it as an opportunity to be creative on paper. Let your fears go. Nobody is going to be looking at your writing and thinking, "Oh, you need to do better with that writing. This is just not good enough. Your spelling is atrocious." We're not going to worry about that. The whole point of your creative writing time is you get a chance to be yourself, think of what's on your mind, and get it out onto paper in a creative way. So it really is focused on having some fun, being creative. So you're going to have about 15 minutes of writing time. And if you just cannot think of anything on your own that sounds like fun to tell about or write about, then what I've done here is I have created some sentence stems for you to get started. Because sometimes if you just get the pencil moving, you'll find that, hey, I can do this. This is something that is okay with me. I like to talk about what's inside of me. It's or write about what's inside of me. You might try just talking it through with a family member, some of your ideas, or even a pet, because they're not going to answer back. If you're afraid of what a family member is going to say, then you can just talk to your dog about what you want to write, and it's something that hopefully you understand that we want you to relax and have your mind at ease, because like stress writing is usually not good writing. If you're feeling pressured to get a certain assignment complete, typically the brain is going to be in a mode that's not really conducive to creativity. Creativity comes from being relaxed and ready to have fun, and so it's an opportunity for you to be playful with words, to be playful with ideas. Um, but if you're not feeling particularly creative, you can use these sentence stems that I created. Um, and so here you can just copy it directly, and in the blank spaces you put what you want to write. So my favorite outdoor activity is blank. I like blank because blank. When I blank, I feel blank. My favorite part of blank is blank. So I used this sentence stem. Feel free to pause this video and copy it directly. I use these sentence stems to make my own, and I'll read it to you here. My favorite outdoor activity is camping. I like camping because I get to relax, unwind from the stress of daily life, and spend time in nature. When I am camping, I feel at peace and energized at the same time. My favorite part of camping is exploring the natural surroundings. I've camped in a lot of places with my family. Some of my favorite camping experiences were at Acadia National Park, Michigan's Upper Peninsula, and near Plymouth Rock in Massachusetts. So I could go on and on and on about the different experiences that I've had camping. I wouldn't want to overwhelm you with too much. This amount of writing would take a significant amount of time for someone who's 8 years old. And so don't hold yourself to an unrealistic standard for writing. Be yourself. Try to enjoy the time and focus on creatively having fun, getting some of your ideas out on paper. Okay? Good luck and have fun.